this is how we check mass communication. I'm again with another video. Indeed, I'm going to show you how you can assemble or install one SSD card to your desktop computer. You see I have one SSD card, 240 gigabytes. Could be any version, any brand. This is from GIGABYTE. First of all, you have to put your desktop PC on horizontal position as this. Take up the cover. Here is the main disk of this one, main hard drive. We have to check where we can put. Here is, look, one space, could be better here, could be up, wherever you like, or could be here, this side. So I will try this side. So I'm gonna take this box off of this lovely looking SSD. There we go. Some paperwork here and there, and here is GIGABYTE. Let me take this off from here. Perfect. It's a brand new SSD card. See, lovely. Okay, I leave here. We need one screwdriver for this purpose and 2 screws. Here I have a set of screwdrivers, so I will decide which screw I'm gonna use. Tons here, so I will take 2 as I like. Okay, from this type of screw you can use. We need 2 special cable in this case. This is SATA power connector, so I'm gonna connect with any one here. This is one auxiliary. So I connect, this is a power cable. This should be connected with the power supply of your computer in this case. So this is the power connector, and this should go to the motherboard in this case. And you have to put this one as number 1 SSD, number 1 port. So you have to find number 1, then hard drive will be number 2, and your CD drive or DVD drive will be number 3. Remove the cable. You see here the SATA port. This one is SATA port. So the hard drive is connected in number 1. So I take out the hard drive from here. I'm taking out and I'm putting hard drive and the previous all the drive in 3 or 4, and the new drive that I want to put in number 1. So number 1 is here, this one, so I put in number 1. Perfect. It will make a ticking noise. Then you see here, this port should go. It has a L shape, so you have to match the ports, and you have a clip here as well. Some of them comes with clip, some of them may not. It goes inside, it makes some noise. And the same way the power connector, you have to connect, it has a L shape, so you have to match the port. Here we go. All is done. Now I have to assemble this one. Finally I decide to put at the top. You see I tied here 2 screws. This looks good, perfect align. So this is the place at the top of your cabinet. You can put SSD very easy and simple. Cable should be connected fine with the motherboard and the power supply.